Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day on this one, and I don't want to say a disastrous day, but a very worrisome day because, as has been the case in the past, momentum showed up. In fact, quite a bit of momentum. That opening 30 minutes, big, strong move up, and then you can see what happened the rest of the day. That momentum disappeared, and the price basically rolled right back over and went right back to where it started. And now it's actually brought the price back into the range of this green line here, which I've talked about previously at $1.30, which is pretty crazy because, I mean, if it were me and, when I was looking at this morning, seeing the price explode up over 150, if you were to tell me, yeah, 130 might actually be relevant at the end of the day, I'd be saying, what are you talking about? The price is all the way at 150. It's exploding with volume. What do you mean 130 might be relevant? So, I mean, that's just pretty crazy to show how far down the price got rejected back to the downside, which brings about that first key level right here at 145 as that key level of resistance. Yes, it was broken today, but it goes back to, was the price able to stay up above it? It was not, and we had another repeat right there where the price broke above it and then went right back below. And then, yeah, today was a little bit different because it stayed up above it for a little bit while longer. However, the end result is the same. The price just totally lost all its momentum and back down it's gone, which again brings about 130 being relevant. And that's going to be a very important level, especially now, because I mean, think about it. And I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen, but what you definitely would want to avoid is having the price make that explosion, come all the way back down to 130 and then break down below there. I mean, think about how nasty that would be to have a huge move and then have the price go back into the kind of this no man's land right here. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why in my mind that $1.30 mark extremely important as a level of support. And again, if the price does try to head back up, well, it goes right back to that $1.45 mark being an area of resistance. So let's see what happens with this one on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.